Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post makeup and skincare videos 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if that's something you're interested in, I'd love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. So as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be starting off a new skincare trial, and this is probably the skincare trial that I'm most excited for out of all these skincare trials I've done here on my channel, and that is because we're going to be testing out the very popular Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid solution. I am so excited to try this. I ordered it from Paula's Choice a couple weeks ago and I've just been dying to try it, and my skin's been going through a little bit of a freak out recently. We've got some breakouts going on and I thought, you know what, this is the week I need to pull this out to see, is my skin gonna get better from it, so we can really test it out. So as with all my skincare trials, we're gonna be testing this out for 2 weeks on my skin, but first we're gonna get into some product information. So if you want to see all of that, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Alright, so let's see what this product is all about. So this is a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Now if you don't know what BHA is, it's beta hydroxy acid, and it works similarly to like alpha hydroxy acid and salicylic acid. All those ingredients help exfoliate the skin. They go deep into the pores and get any gunk. On here it says that it's made for all skin types. It's supposed to unclog and shrink enlarged pores. It's supposed to smooth and even skin tone, and it's also a lightweight liquid that absorbs quickly. It says you can apply this once or twice daily all over the face and neck with a cotton pad. You don't have to rinse it off, and then for daytime always follow up with a sunscreen, which make sure you're always using a sunscreen during the day. Also, it's supposed to be non-irritating. It's fragrance free, which I love. I don't love a lot of fragrance in my skincare products. I find my skin gets way too irritated. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm just gonna go onto their website real quick. So this is the #1 product worldwide and cult favorite that everyone loves as an exfoliator. It also is made with salicylic acid to quickly unclog pores, smooth wrinkles, and brighten and even the skin tone. So people really like it because it's a unique leave-on treatment, so you can leave this on, you don't have to rinse it off, but it's still gentle enough where it's not going to irritate the skin, but it's still going to do a nice job at exfoliating. It's supposed to help with dull, dry, congested skin. And I know a lot of people love this for acne because it just has that salicylic acid in there too, so it's really just supposed to help clear the pores and with that kind of prevent acne as well. So it says if this is your first time using a BHA exfoliant, make sure to introduce it into your routine slowly, and then so start by using it every other day, and then you can increase it to once or twice a day. So I think I'll do that just to make sure that I don't overdo it on my skin. So maybe we'll start off with every other day and then see if we can increase it. Looking at the ingredients, we have salicylic acid, as I said. We also have green tea extract. This is supposed to be an antioxidant that also helps with anti-aging. We have methylpropanoidol. This is supposed to enhance the absorption of ingredients such as salicylic acid into the skin. And then everything else on the ingredient list looks super simple. We have glycol in here, which helps with hydration. And what I love is they put like a simplified definition of that ingredient in parentheses beside the actual chemical name. I like that because, as you know, a consumer, it's very hard to look at an ingredient list and be like, oh yeah, I understand that, unless you actually know those products. I am in chemical engineering, so I'm familiar with some of these ingredients, but you know, it is nice when a brand kind of takes that ingredient list and makes it easier to read for consumers when they're purchasing the product, so I love that. All right, so I think I have enough information on the product. You know, with this, I take that I'm not supposed to use any other strong exfoliators, so I'm going to kind of stray away from my other exfoliating products for a little bit here while I'm using this. So I have a bit of eye makeup on right now, so I'm gonna go take that off and I'm gonna go cleanse my face with the CeraVe foaming cleanser, and I'll be right back to do my skin routine and try this product out. Alright guys, so I'm back fresh faced, and as you can see, we got some friends going on here. We got some hormonal acne going on. You know what's up. And I got a cotton pad here. I bought these really weird ones recently. I just bought like the first pack I saw. And look at this. I've never seen a cotton pad like that. It's kind of rough, but I don't know, we'll have to see. So I don't usually like using cotton pads when applying my skincare, so I'm gonna try it on one half of my face with this, the other half just with my hand, and see if I can just use it with my hand. Then I'll just do that. Here we go. I forgot to mention you get 4 fluid ounces in this product, and it's actually pretty affordable, so I'm happy about that. I feel like it's a fair price. No scent. Okay, I'm gonna apply this to the actual soft side of this cotton pad. It's like just a liquid. Like down the neck too. Let's try the other side just with my hand. We'll do like 4 drops. And I'm just gonna kind of rub it in at first and then pat it in. Surprisingly, this does not feel irritating in any way. My skin is not getting that red, and when I touch it, usually it goes super red, so it's really interesting to see, and it feels almost like a hydrating like serum. Like, it doesn't feel like an exfoliator, and my skin already looks so glowy from that. What is this magic product? I'm so confused, but I'm loving it. I'm gonna let that sink in to my skin, and then I'm gonna apply the rest of my skincare. I'm just gonna do some ordinary niacinamide, some Inculus hyaluronic acid, and then last but not least some moisturizer. This is the CeraVe one. And then I'll be done with my night routine. So I'm going to continue using this. I think I'll see how my skin's feeling tomorrow morning, and then I'll decide if I use it tomorrow night or not. If my skin's a little too sensitive, then I'll skip tomorrow and use it the next day. But either way, I'll keep you guys updated. So I'll see you in a couple days. All right, guys, so it's been a couple days. It is day 3 of me using the Paula's Choice BHA. So I used it yesterday both day and night, and my skin wasn't too sensitive at all. So I'm gonna just continue using it twice a day. Of course, if you experience any sensitivities, don't use it this often, but I just use a bit. And then I'm gonna just let that sit on my skin for a minute before I apply any other skincare. But this is my day 3 update, guys, and I will see you in a couple days. Hey guys, so it's been a couple days. I just woke up and finished washing my face, and I just applied the Paula's Choice exfoliant, and this is what my skin is looking like. We have a nice little friend right here. But this all has dried up, and this is now scarring, and I feel like this has really helped my acne heal faster. My skin looks bright, and it never feels dry or stripped after I use this, which is so crazy to me because it's an exfoliant and I never have that issue. Like, my skin always feels so nice after I use it. My skin has felt so smooth this last like week and a half that I've been using this. I haven't had like any crazy dryness or anything like that. It's just felt really smooth and brightened, and I really love how my skin is looking. So far I'm really liking this product, and I'll update you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm back for my last and final update. It has actually been 2 weeks since I've been using the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid, and let me just say I am so extremely happy with how my skin looks right now. Here it is. As you can see, I have not gotten any new breakouts since I've really been using this. I feel like my scars have lightened up. I feel like my skin just looks so glowy and fresh, and I just love how this has made my skin look over the past 2 weeks. I feel like it's really transformed it. I think this is one of the products that I was able to use for only 2 weeks and really see great results with, and I hope that kind of came across on camera too. I just really felt the change in my skin. My skin hasn't been as dry, and even though this is an exfoliant with BHA and salicylic acid in it, it wasn't too much for my skin, and I used it every morning and night, right after cleanser, right before my serum. So I just love this so much, and this is definitely going to be like a staple in my skin routine from now on, because I need this like glowy fresh skin always. If you haven't tried this, you gotta try it, because I definitely think it's worth the hype and all the attention it gets. I think it's very well deserved. I think this is an amazing product. My skin looks and feels good. It looks so glowy without being too stripped. but really just making sure that that salicylic acid and BHA work to fight against acne and acne scarring, any clogging in the pores and anything like that. It's just really helped to brighten my skin, reduce that scarring, and just really like transform it overall and give me like this fresh skin over the past 2 weeks, which I'm absolutely obsessed with my results. It's helped my acne heal faster, and it's kind of dried it up faster too, and just helped it heal overall. So I can't complain about it. There is nothing that I disliked about this product. It's fragrance free. It doesn't dry out my skin right when I put it on. My skin doesn't get more red or sensitive when I put it on either. It works well with my other products like my niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. I can use it twice a day, every morning and night. It's just very easy to use in the routine, and you see results. I definitely did. Literally don't have anything bad to say about this. I could go on and on about this product, but really that's my final thoughts. I really enjoyed this, and I actually really want to try some more products from Paula's Choice since this was such a big success for me. Let me know down below what products you guys like from Paula's Choice, and I'll definitely be on their website later. If you've tried this out, let me know what you thought about it, and if you haven't or have any questions regarding it, please leave them down below in the comments. But if you enjoyed these skincare trials and want to see more, I'll have my whole playlist linked down below if you want to watch more of these review videos. Plus, if you're interested in any of the products I mentioned in this video, the products will also all be linked down below in the description. If you did enjoy this video on the Paula's Choice BHA 2% solution, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also make sure you hit my post notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me